With Cloud Discovery, companies can gather detailed information and track changes across all their major cloud service providers. Cloud Discovery gives you the accurate, up-to-date cloud inventory that enables operational compliance, software asset management, security operations, and many other core use cases across technology workflows. Automated cloud visibility monitors changing cloud environments continuously, keeping the configuration management database accurate and current. 6 key business outcomes benefit from cloud visibility: operational compliance, software asset management, financial operations, security operations, certificate management, and AI for IT operations, or AIOps. Discovery operates at 2 layers. Cloud metadata discovers the metadata and relationships of your cloud environments. OS layer details reveal what's installed, running, and configured on each resource. Together, these layers offer both high-level overview and deep operational insight. There are 4 cloud discovery methods that serve different needs. Pattern-based cloud discovery and service graph connectors operate at the metadata layer. IP-based horizontal discovery, agent client collector for visibility, and service graph connectors all operate on the OS layer. Method selection depends on business outcomes. While compliance and AIOps benefit from both metadata and OS layer discovery, financial and security operations require detailed OS layer insights. The decision framework maps each outcome to appropriate discovery methods, helping companies select the right combination. For example, Agent Client Collector for visibility works well for hibernating or auto-scaling resources. Event-driven discovery keeps CMDB current, delivering continuous visibility into cloud infrastructure. Pull-based discovery synchronizes data at scheduled intervals. And push-based discovery receives change events directly from cloud providers and provides near real-time updates. Pattern-based cloud discovery supports pull-based updates for Azure and GCP, while push-based discovery is available for AWS through service graph connectors and pattern-based methods. Cloud Discovery delivers multi-cloud inventory tracking, 2-layer visibility, flexible discovery methods, and continuous updates for accurate cloud management.